Okay, folks, another beautiful day. I'm bringing this to you on a Tuesday, October 1st. Oops, making too much noise here. Begin this journey together. That's right, Seashell. All right, so that's what I've been thinking about. Sticking with our the sea, ocean theme for today, folks. Acrylic color, primary blue. Yeah, let's start with this blue color that we can start this beautiful Tuesday. A little purple. Yeah, sounds good. A little purple there. There you go. A little purple. A little purple right here. Here and there. Waiting for perhaps as we continue this happy little accidents along the way. Yes, I stole that from Bob Ross. I know, but we got to start from somewhere, right? So here we are. This color, you're wondering, light blue is what I'm just a little dabbing here, and then a little bit of a bright aqua green. I like that sound of that. So let's see how this works out for us with a palette knife, as I've promised. I'll try to use as little of other tools as possible here, folks, and then a little swipe there and see where this takes us. That's right. Nice and easy. See how easy that was? A circle. Big circular motion is what I'm recommending here. There you go. And as you have noticed, this canvas has already been primed with black. Black underneath it. Why black? Well, it just makes everything pop out more. So that's the reason. And let's raise this thing up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a happy circular motion here. And I know this thing's still covered up with this golden pen. Don't worry. Do not worry. We'll come back to that. Yeah. But we'll just do this circular thing. Circular. And this canvas, as you know, is a 12 by 12. My favorite. It looks good on Instagram as well. That is the reason. And let's go back to this dark blue here. I promised you guys we're gonna come back to this. Yes. What is this color again? Primary blue. Yes. That's one thing about these colors, hues in America. It's always they call it different things depending on the manufacturer. But it's okay. We'll work through it. As you can see what this is. Yeah, let's cover this thing up a little bit. And just kind of wondering, hoping, and just kind of see where this will take us. Yeah, like a tornado, if you will. But I decided to stick with the ocean theme for today because I spent a lot of relaxing time with our family by the Crystal Cove. You don't know where the Crystal Cove is? Here in Newport Beach. It's very relaxing. Anyone who's wondering about this place, maybe I'll include some videos later on of this place. You guys wondering about where to spend your family vacation, perhaps? So here we are. So that's basically what I've done here for you. And let's see if you're wondering about here. Go. If you're wondering about some neutral, yeah, let's use some neutral blue. If you're wondering about that, maybe add some little bit of that. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, some interesting home decor colors for you. And it's drying out quickly than I thought it would. So let's add some more blacks along the way here, folks. Here you go, a little bit black. There you go. Yeah. Here we are. All right, so black here, perhaps circular. Go. Yeah, good combination of almost like a turquoise color, you know, and black, and along with black, and blue. And see where that takes us. Here we are. And then from here, we're gonna do a little bit of that circular motion, circular, there you go. Circular, you see? Circular, right. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but just to give that idea of a seashell right here, like this. Seashell, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Just give you a basic outline of this, and we'll be good to go. So easier for us to take that next step. Try not to be too perfect. It's okay. You don't have to be perfect. There you go. And then, and have faith at the end of the day that this will work out just fine. You know, just fine. Just a little suggestion of this chambers. That's how they float in the ocean, I guess, right? Right. Here we are. And then, oh, I forgot to. Sorry, folks. Sorry. A little baby wipe action that I've forgotten about. Okay. All right. So here we are. We got this squeezy little sharp tip. See if that works out for us. And there you go. Oops. Yeah. Squeezy thing here. There you go. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It's just however you want to create it. It's all up to you. Here you go. Yeah, look at that. There you go. This is how it's gonna be. Yeah, a little seashell action there, you know. We're going for that nice little home decor. And that little chamber. Remember this chamber that I told you about right here? A little chamber here. Yeah, nothing straight, but circular. Maybe we need to turn this thing around and then here. Like that. There you go. Yeah. And then like this.